That means we have a vet on hand to answer your pet questions. So if you have a problem with your pet, give us a call right now. The number is 918-460-KJRH. And today we have Dr. Jessica Zink to answer all of your questions. And you have brought along Petunia.
Yes.
Hi, Petunia.
This is Petunia. She's about 2 years old. She's very, very sweet, and she is crate trained. So
perfect.
She is ready for adoption.
All right. Well, she is cute. She's acting a little shy right now.
Yeah, she was very, very good up until this point. Then she got a little nervous, a little camera shy.
Well, she needs a good home. All right, let's get to some of these calls, and then we'll tell you how you can go about getting Petunia. First, we have Sharon in Grove. Good morning, Sharon. What's your question?
Yes, I have a male Chihuahua. He's 9 months old, and I want to know, how can you keep him from shedding?
Well, that's a good question, and I'll tell you, shedding can be quite a challenge with a lot of these guys, especially if you'll notice little Petunia, she's got short hair, and so she's got kind of a shorter hair cycle. It grows a lot more than, say, your longer-haired dogs like poodles. I will say that, in general, as long as we don't have a skin condition going on, that, regular bathing and brushing and a good conditioner will go miles as far as keeping the hair down to a minimum.
Mm-hmm. And brush outside.
Yes, outside. Or you'll end up with enough hair for another dog.
All right, now we have Ashley in Bixby. Good morning, Ashley. What's your question? Oh, did we just lose Ashley? Sounds like we did. All right, how about Wayne? Do we have Wayne in Claremore? I think we've lost everybody. Do we have any?
I'm here.
Oh, hi, Wayne. Hey, what's your question?
Well, I have a 14-year-old Shih Tzu, female, and she had her teeth cleaned in January. And ever since then, she's got this cough or hack. And we've taken her to the vet, taken her to the vet, and they keep giving her antibiotics, but it don't ever seem to go away. She's doing it right now.
Okay.
I mean, it just sounds like, she acts like she's trying to cough something up but can't get it up.
Well, every now and then you can have some reactions to the endotracheal tube that they use whenever they clean the teeth, but typically it doesn't last quite that long. The other thing to consider is that, we didn't have very much of a winter, and so a lot of times, when things are kind of blowing and things are kind of blooming, that can cause a little bit of some allergic bronchitis as well. You may try and go back to the vet and just say, hey, listen, the antibiotics kind of aren't cutting it. Can we try some other things? Sometimes they can also have heart conditions and other things that can cause them to cough without you really knowing why. So I would say, we probably need to investigate that a little further, but it may be a little bit some allergy going on too. Okay,
real quickly, we have time for another caller in Tulsa. Good morning. What's your question?
Yes, I have 2 puppies that are, their ears are swelling, and I don't know what's causing it.
Their ears, the outsides of their ears are swelling?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
It's like their ear flaps, it's like they have water or air in them or something.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes, and what it sounds like, and it's hard to tell without seeing it, of course, but what it sounds like is, sometimes if they've got an ear infection, they can shake their heads a lot, and that can actually cause a collection of blood in the ear, and that is actually called a hematoma, an oral hematoma. Typically, if that's what it is, it does need to be drained, and they need to keep some sutures in there that will keep the tissue close together, and then that way, hopefully it doesn't continue to fill back up. But I would certainly make sure and check the ears out, because there may be an infection, and they probably need to be drained if that's what's going on.
All right, well, we are out of time for calls. Petunia, she's eager to get a new home. She's ready. All right, if you'd like her or like some more information about her, you can call Animal Aid at 918-744-8280 or log on to animalaid.org. And our veterinarian is here every Thursday to answer all your pet questions. If you missed any of today's segment, you can go to kjrh.com, click on the Lifestyle tab to watch it again, to learn about other pets who need homes, and to find out more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital. Dr. Zink, thanks so much for coming in.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. Justin.